Hello friends, if your gas burner is damaged and you've been looking for a way to replace your gas burner, you don't need to panic because with this do it yourself technique in this video, you can easily construct a new gas burner at home using the resources you have available in your house. You can use an empty tin, maybe a tomato tin or milk tin. You can construct three handles with these items you have seen here. You can drill a hole by the side to allow the gas tuner to be accessible, and then this is going to serve you just like the regular gas burner that is sold in the market. And the good thing is that you can easily have these resources around your compound, so you don't need to go to the market to buy them or spend any money buying any gas burner. So you can see in this video, just follow these steps and you'll be able to create for yourself a perfect gas burner that you can use. Please share this video.